Until 2030, it is estimated that 1.2 billion people will be under the age of 45, but only about 420 million jobs will be created for those people. So we have an employment gap of 780 million jobs. If we don't create those jobs where the people are, people will move. They will migrate to regions where they believe that they can find a job. So we have a choice. Do we want to stem a tide of 780 million people who can't find a job where they live? Or do we want to invest in creating jobs that enable decent living conditions?
But isn't that going to be awfully difficult now, especially with the emergence of AI, which obviously is going to lead to job displacement?
But AI will not displace the jobs that are needed in the global south. Those jobs, we are talking about basic jobs. We are talking about farming jobs, where you have a guarantee that you can, with climate change, still subsist. We talk about masons to build the housing for all those people that will need housing.